Hey everyone, welcome back! In this tutorial, I'll walk you through how to connect MetaTrader 5 with Vantage and open a position on the market. Whether you're new to trading or just starting with MT5, this will help you place your first trade confidently. First, make sure you've already installed MetaTrader 5 and that your Vantage account is set up. Once you open MT5, you'll see the Market Watch panel on the left side of your screen. This is where all your trading instruments are listed, such as Forex pairs, commodities, or indices. To open a new trade, right-click on the instrument you want to trade and select New Order. You can also click the New Order button from the toolbar at the top. A new order window will appear where you can set up your trade details. Next, choose your trade volume. This determines the lot size of your position. You can also set your stop loss and take profit levels if you'd like to automatically manage your risk and profit targets. Once your trade setup is ready, choose whether you want to buy or sell. Click Buy by Market if you believe the price will go up, or Sell by Market if you think it will drop. The trade will execute instantly based on the current market price. After opening your trade, you can monitor it in the Trade tab located at the bottom of the platform. Here you'll see all your active positions, including details like profit, loss, and trade size. If you want to modify a trade, right-click on your open position and choose Modify or Delete. This allows you to adjust your stop loss, take profit, or even close part of your trade. To close a position completely, right-click on it and select Close Order, or simply click the small X button in the trade window. Once closed, the profit or loss from that trade will be reflected in your account balance. Monitoring your trades is essential to managing risk and maximizing opportunities. Always keep an eye on market movement and be disciplined with your trading plan. And that's it. You've just learned how to connect MetaTrader 5 with Vantage and open a position on the market. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a like, subscribe for more trading guides, and let me know in the comments what other MT5 features you'd like to learn about next. See you in the next one.